Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
Johnny, sit down.
Why are we here?
This is a school. Today you have a test.
A test?
A small test. The verb to be.
I am not ready.
That was correct.
What?
I am not ready. It is correct. The test is started.
That is not fair.
Also correct. 2 out of 2. Johnny, who are you?
I am Johnny.
What are you?
I am a dog.
How are you?
I am hungry.
3 for 3. Now I am.
I am.
You are.
You are.
He is.
He is.
She is.
She is.
It is.
It is.
We are.
We are.
They are.
They are.
All of them, Johnny. Fast.
I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are.
Again.
I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are.
Perfect.
Is the test finished?
No. Now the sentences. Chloe. She is.
She is a girl.
Milo. He is.
He is a cat.
The ball. It is.
It is red.
Chloe and Milo. They are.
They are my friends.
You and me. We are.
We are in a school.
Yes. We are in a school. Now the negative. I am not tall.
I am not tall.
You are not a cat.
I am not a cat.
No ypsilono, you are not a cat.
You are not a cat.
Correct. And I am not a cat.
You are a bear.
I am a bear.
You always say that.
It is always true. Milo is not a dog.
He is not a dog.
Chloe is not tired.
She is not tired.
Good. Now the questions.
More?
The questions are the last part. Am I a bear?
Yes, you are.
Are you a cat?
No, I am not.
Is Milo a cat?
Yes, he is.
Is Chloe a boy?
No, she is not. She is a girl.
Are we friends?
Yes, we are.
Correct. Johnny, the test is finished.
How many mistakes?
1.
1. Where?
You are not a cat. You said, I am not a cat.
But I am not a cat.
That is true, but it was the wrong answer.
A true answer is a wrong answer.
In a test, yes.
Robert. School is a strange place.
It is, Johnny. It is.
Am I good?
Johnny, 3 months ago you said, woof. Today you said 40 sentences. 1 mistake.
So I am good?
You are very good.
I am very good.
That is correct too.